Hello everybody, my name is James. This is the cold start and walk around video for my 2006 Hummer H3 with the manual transmission. Super cool, right? Never really see them, and definitely don't see them in this condition with the manual. Also has the optional factory off-road package. You get the skid plates there, side rockers, get those cool little lights up top, something different. The color definitely very cool, green. Interior's matching, pretty gnarly. Here we go. We gotta, hopefully we'll do this correctly here. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's bone cold. Cold. Let's see here. We'll climb on in. Start her on up. It's a little dusty. Rest assured, of course, it'll be clean. It's just been sitting. Killer. Well, hope you all like it.